That's it. That's it. Look at it moving. It's in the clouds, but holy smokes. Look how bright it is. And slowly it's moving. Holy smokes. Okay, I'm holding steady. It's jerking. Look at that. Look how slowly it's moving and jerking back and forth like that. There's a cloud cover, so it's having trouble focusing, but it's so bright. Going through the clouds, kind of flashing too. Into the clouds. Oh, there it is. Kind of flashing through the clouds. You can see it flashing in the clouds. Still dodging around. Oh, it's pretty gone now.